What is a joint hybrid, and who would want one? Hello, this is Brian Lysing with Financial Brokerage. Stick with me here for a minute because this is something that I think can help you overcome two of the most common objections to long-term care sales. So first of all, what's a hybrid? Well, a hybrid for our purposes is a life insurance policy that you can accelerate for long-term care. They've been around for a long time, at least a quarter century, and most companies have some version of this. Hybrids have got some advantages over traditional long-term care in that you have a guarantee that your premiums will never change. So you won't have a rate increase to deal with ever. Now, you've also got peace of mind that something will be paid out as a long-term care benefit or as a death benefit to the family. So that's a hybrid, but what's a joint hybrid? Well, that's when you can place two people, usually a married couple, on the same policy. They both share the LTC benefits, and the death benefit pays when the second person passes away. So what objections can this help you overcome? Well, the first is price. When you compare two separate policies to just one joint policy with the same total benefit, the joint policy almost always costs less. Simple as that. Now, the second objection is what I call the reluctant husband. Now, you've probably met this guy a few times. You see, men and women tend to view long-term care differently. More often than not, a wife will be concerned about having resources to provide care for herself and for her husband. The husband, on the other hand, he thinks he's not going to need care, or his wife is going to take care of him. Now, what he really wants is a return on his money, like the cash value inside of a policy. He thinks he's going to spend that on something else because in his mind, he's never going to need care, right? So here's where the joint policy helps when you meet this guy, and you're going to meet him if you haven't already. Tell the husband he's getting this for his wife, and it's the most cost-efficient way to leave resources for her when he's gone. But just in case his wife needs help taking care of him for a little while, let's just put him on her policy as well. Call it her policy because that's how he's viewing it. So now he's happy because he thinks it's really for his wife. She's happy because, well, look, she knows better. And now he's covered as well. So there you go. Two great ways to use joint hybrids to overcome some of the most common objections to long-term care.